Are you tired of manually pulling market data from dozens of sources? Learn how to automate it with Semrush API in under 3 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps to access and subscribe to the Trends API. Let's start in Semrush folders. Start by heading to your Semrush folders. Then click on Traffic and Market. Now go ahead and click on Trends API. Review this part of the interface. Click on Buy API Access. Select .Trends API, Basic Access plus 10,000 units. Then click on Subscribing to. Choose the $1,000 per month option. Finally, click Subscribe to complete your purchase. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.